engagement, productivity, innovation, revenue and financials, well-being, retention. The research demonstrates that all of these metrics are negatively impacted when organizations do not prioritize leading with meaning and purpose. On the flip side of that, purpose is prioritized by the 100 best companies to work for in 2022, as highlighted by Great Place to Work. And those companies outperform those who do not prioritize meaning and purpose on all of these metrics. And the most important metric associated with leading with greater meaning and purpose, leading with a leadership philosophy or life mission and core values, leadership effectiveness. Leaders who lead with greater meaning and purpose are simply more effective. Welcome to Leading with Meaning and Purpose. I'm your host and instructor, Alan Michelai. I am passionate about partnering with leaders and teams in helping them to achieve their maximum potential. You see, I have been a student of human growth and development and leadership almost my entire adult life. I hold my Master of Arts in Clinical Psychology from Sam Houston State University, and I have been partnering with leaders from the front line to the C-suite for over 15 years. When leaders don't have a clear purpose that is connected to organizational purpose, values, strategy, and goals, they can't help employees do the same. Meaning and purpose starts with you. Unfortunately, few organizations are treating leading with meaning and purpose as a business priority, much less as a business imperative. As a result, they don't have a clear step-by-step guide or even a process to teach leaders how to lead with greater meaning and purpose. Leading with meaning and purpose is an empirically driven, engaging, self-directed developmental experience. You will learn why leading with meaning and purpose is so important for leaders today and walk through a proven step-by-step process for developing your very own personal leadership philosophy. You will also discover strategies, best practices, and tools to lead and live by your leadership philosophy. The course features powerful videos, a comprehensive e-workbook, and engaging and thought-provoking activities. In addition to top-notch materials and a world-class LMS platform, the course also includes a community where you can network with like-minded leaders and a once-a-month live online networking and Q&A session with me. This course will empower you to identify and clarify your meaning and purpose and teach you how to activate and leverage it so that you can amplify your leadership effectiveness. The skills, tools, and strategies you learn in this course will last you a lifetime and can create a legacy of your leadership that will last for generations to come. Invest in yourself, invest in your leadership. Amplify your leadership effectiveness. Transform your life. Lead with greater meaning and purpose.